always tell my subscribers that whatever you see people doing to make money, do it. As well as it's legally stuff. Okay? Do it. There's no room for excuses. Don't give you excuses because a lot of people are doing it and making money. Why not you do it too? Even back are doing this one and they are making money. You ask yourself, why is it that I always buy data from my bank? Why is it that anytime I want to recharge, because some people are addicted to that. Anytime you want to recharge, you go to your bank and recharge your phone with your bank. Okay? Why not start your VTU business? Why not start your VTU business without visiting bank, without enriching banks? What I do here is that I teach you how to make money. Anything about how to make money, come here, you will get it. Welcome back to my channel. My name still remains Ekoye Raphael, the dude that left something fit home. This is where I teach you guys how to make money without even spending much. All I do here is that I teach you how to make money. Today, I'll be teaching you how you can start VTU business. Okay? How you can start, buying data and resell it to your customer. What motivated me to start doing this is, in my shop those days, people come to me and ask me, I want to buy card. In a week, let's say thousands of people will be asking me, do you sell card? Do you sell card? And I keep telling them that I don't sell card, that I deal in mobile phones. Okay? So later I start, thinking, why am I doing what others are doing? Because those people that are, into VTU business, they are human beings like you. And if they are not making money, I don't think they will be doing that. Whatever that you are not making money, you will not do it. So because of people are doing it to make money, that's why I come to realize that it's good to do what others are doing to make money. Okay? It doesn't matter whether you have 10 businesses at once. Because reason to between different businesses is because if this one didn't give you money, another one will give you money. That's the reason why you should do so many business. I'm into different business. At times I forget some business that I do. Only when I receive a lot, I will remember that I once do this business. Okay, so today I'll be teaching you how you can start reselling VTU. If you buy card, you resell it and keep the profit. The money might be small, but if you keep doing it, you will make thousands. Okay. If you are in school, you can do this business. If you are a business man or woman, you can do this business. You can even do it to recharge your phone and have the profit by yourself without even, asking anybody. Since I started this business, I never ask anybody for card because I recharge from my phone without buying it from any bank. So the site that we are using is called mobilenig.com. 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 That's the site that we'll be using for this. Okay? This is all about you can, pay for WAEC and NECO scratch cards here. You can, and you have 1 to 3% discount on GoTV and DSTV, StarTime, Smiles, Airtime. Okay? People are really making money. We are the best at what we do. Automation 99.99%, speed 99.99%, customer support 99.99%. Okay, this is all about them. You can go and read all those things. I will teach you from scratch till you start making money with this particular website. If you want to register, registration link is in the description. So make sure you visit the description to get how to register. It's very simple and straight. All right, if you want to register, all you need to do is just to click on that get started. Enjoy high discount rates on internet data plan, airtime VTU, utility bills, and convert airtime to cash. You can convert airtime to cash if you want. That is the beauty of this. You can convert data to cash. If someone send airtime to you and you don't know how to convert it to cash, this website is also available for that. There is no other way to send you money than send you airtime in olden days. Okay, you will start going here and there and asking whether you will see someone to buy airtime. Okay, they give you money and you give them the card. It's very simple. So here they make everything easy for you. If you have such stuff, all you need to do is just to come to this website and register. After that you can convert your airtime to cash. Very simple and straight. All right, get started. You click on get started. You register, put your first name, your state, you click your state. Okay. Your preferred username, my email address, you put your email address. Referral, you put your referral. That's, you will see referral, you see my referral link there. Password, you put your, you click on register. Referral, I put Facebook. You log in. Okay, we are here. Mobile NIG would like to celebrate you on your birthday because you are the reason we are in business. Kindly add your birthday on your mobile NG accounts. Thanks. Okay, let me add my. All right, I'm here already. Welcome, Don Raf. Account status inactive. Please note that a one-time membership fee of 100 naira will be debited on your first wallet funding. Thanks. Okay. If you want to fund the first one, they will debit 100 naira. Okay. The 100 naira they will debit is just a lifetime, just to upgrade. Okay. This is new account. The reason why I'm creating this new account, I have so many different VTU site that I'm making use of, but I think this one, I love this one, the features and everything. That's why I want to use this one to teach you everything you need to know. It's very simple and straight. Okay. It's very simple and straight. If you want to buy VTU, you click on VTU. Okay, you click on VTU. As you can see, premium, it's better to select premium. Okay, you have 3%. You get 3%. Daily limit is 1,000 naira used. Upgrade your account to increase limit. So upgrade, click here. If you want to upgrade, you click on upgrade. Okay, choose type premium, MTN premium discount. You click on the phone number you want to fund. This is how you can buy airtime for anybody. Like anybody that want to buy card, you can tell them that you can sell card to them. And before you start selling cards, you need to fund your account. Okay, once you fund your account, you can start selling. Okay, so here what they are saying here is that sorry, you need to upgrade. You need to upgrade, and that upgrade is just 100 naira. Okay, once you upgrade, you will start getting some benefits. Okay, so as you can see, new awoof is an MTN offer that gives you 400 airtime bonus on every recharge from 100 naira and above, or 275% on every recharge between 1 to 99. Okay, if you want to read more, you click there. If you want to upgrade, you click on upgrade here. Once I click on this upgrade, it will take me here. Here is where you will put your BVN. Why upgrade? To confirm your true identity. With upgraded account, you can enjoy full features of mobile NIG. What are the requirements for upgrade? We do not want the process to schedules. Hence, we require just your bank account number and BVN number. Please, like I tell my subscribers that giving out your BVN, nobody will hack your account with just BVN. Before someone can hack your account, you might give him everything about your account. Before someone can possible hack your account, you can go and Google it, you will understand what I mean. So giving only your BVN, nobody can will hack your account with just BVN. So that's it. But those people are demanding for your BVN so that your account, they will know that yes, truly, this account belongs to you. Okay. We request for BVN to validate your mobile NIG register details and as well validate that the account number you want to add to your account truly belong to you. Can you see that? Also, to create a unique identity for each of the member of this platform. Lastly, to protect you as a customer and mobile NIG as a business. Am I safe giving you my BVN? Yes, you are safe. Your BVN is confidential to us. We only need it to confirm your identity with the bank account number provided. Also, take note that hence, once you add your BVN, no other user on this platform can add the BVN. Very simple. Ensure you use your personal bank and account and BVN for this upgrade. Okay, this is how to upgrade. Like I said that I have like 3-4 VTU business website that I'm using, but this one I have seen some features and this one is not complicated to use. That's why I'm showing you this one. Okay, to register, registration link is in the description. Make sure you register. Okay, then they said that they will deduct 100 naira. That's lifetime payment. Okay, maybe just to maintain the site, and you make thousands of naira monthly. Because if you are in somewhere like school where population, you have much population, you can be selling it to your schoolmates. If you are somewhere like your business place, you can be selling it to your colleagues. Once someone wants to buy credits, all you need to do is just to tell them that you can sell it to them. Okay, there's a lot of things you can do here. There's a lot of things. You can buy data. Buy data. You click on buy data. Fund wallet. Okay, you need to fund your wallet because my wallet here is 0 naira. Okay, I need to fund my wallet, but after this video, I'll fund my wallet. Okay, because I don't want this video to be that too long. All right. If you found your wallet, you click on choose the network. If the person you want to sell this card to is using MTN, you click on the MTN and choose data plan. Okay, if it's 500, okay, 500 equals to 120, 140. Okay, okay, as you can see, 5 gig is 1,250. And all you need to do is just to check the current price people are buying it. Okay, that's how we do it. If you check the current price people are buying it, you can sell it to them. And once you sell this 500 megabytes for 140 here, okay, once you click it and put that person's name, what will happen is that it will deduct the same percentage for you. Okay, the same percentage will be deducted. If it's 120, maybe 120 will be deducted. Okay, 20 naira is your gain. That's how it works. You can put sponsored number here if you want. Then you click on buy. You buy it for that person, and that person will give you cash. Then mobile NIG will deduct that amount from you. You get it and they deduct it. After you fund your wallet, you keep doing the same thing. You can do a lot of things here. You can also pay bills. You can pay bills. Okay, airtime to cash. This is the beauty. You can, if someone wants to sell card to you, you can buy it. You can change it to cash. Okay, this is the procedures that you will go through. Okay, before you fill form to convert airtime to cash, kindly note the condition below. Okay, you just check the condition. how you can do that. It's very simple. To change MTN transfer pin, you click on this. This is for different. Okay, once you do that, you click on this. Once you read all those things, you will know the steps on how you can do that. It's very simple and straight. Okay, you pay bill. You can recharge for people. You click on pay bill. Once you are here, all you need to do is just to the price. You can go to the DSTV, go to customer care, or you go to DSTV. You see the digits that you will credit. Okay, you will recharge. Very simple and straight. So thank you. If you get value from what I'm teaching you here, please rush and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also, make sure you like this video, okay, and comment, tell me what you want me to do in order to make help you making that money. All right, it's very simple and straight. Very simple. What I teach you here is what is working. If it's not working, I will not come here and show you all those things. Because it's working, that's why I come here to show you how to do it. Like I said before, I have different accounts on VTU business, and I'm making a killing with those places. Okay, I will also teach you how you can create websites for yourself if you want to make it huge. So thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. I still remain your boy, Nzekwoye Karafel, the dude that left home to fit home. Peace out.